What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Into My GT Entertainment, and I am Joel. Welcome to another episode of Project 6 Stang. Yes, we are doing something else to her today. Something I wasn't going to do right away, but I found the time, so let's go ahead and do it. We are going ahead and getting rid of the factory deck lid that we have on here and putting an RTR deck lid. I'm going to go through the steps of what you need to do, how to take it off, what to prep, how to cut it, and then we'll be having it on, and that'll be it. It's a kind of a timely thing. It's not a 5-minute job, but you know, we'll go ahead and get through it. It takes about roughly hour, 2 hours, I guess at the most, to go ahead and get everything taken off and then cleaned up and then cut out. So we'll see how it all rolls, and we'll catch you in a second. Just to give y'all a little bit of a sight here, that's what the factory one looks like. It's kind of dirty right now, but it has scratches and stuff all in it that I want to get rid of. So the new one is right in there, the RTR one. It has no cap, and then it has a little sign of the RTR on the side. But we're going to go maybe pull that sticker off, and it'll just be flat all the way across. But let me go ahead and start with the install, and we'll catch you in one sec. Alright, what tools you will need for this is a T15 Torx head, your ratchet, plastic pry tool, and a pot rivet tool, or excuse me, the little push pin tool. And then if you have some extra 3M tape that may be needed, I'm going to see where we are and go from there. So first of all, I don't know if you could see that. Let me see on the side. There you go. That screw right there is the Torx screw that you need to take off. There's one on this side, and there's one right there. So we're going to go ahead and get those taken out, and we'll start from there. See you in a minute. Alright, everyone. That's what it looks like when you take it off. This is what you're going to need to cut out. This circle right here. And then mine was fairly easy to come out. The popped off the bottom first, then you use the pry tool to go across the top. Only a little bit of double stick tape on there, and hey, we're golden. So just to show you, here's the old one. So yeah, let me go ahead and get that cleaned up. Okay, everyone, this is what it looks like all cleaned up. Now what we got to do, see that hump right there? We've got to trim that out. This is the only scary part about the whole thing, because you got to cut into it. And then once you get that out the way, you can go ahead and put the double stick tape down and push it on, and you're done. It's pretty simple when it gets to that point. This is just the worst part. So I'm going to go ahead and start grinding on that, and see you in a minute. Just to give y'all a little look, that's what is happening at the moment. So we'll go ahead and finish her up. Alright guys, now we're at the moment of truth. Went ahead and got everything cleaned up and cut out. As you can see, I put a piece of tape over it just to cover up the hole. You don't need to do it, and it doesn't ask you to, but I do it just for safety. You could probably use better, like air conditioned duct tape may probably work better. It says put down this rust promoter. What I did, I painted around the hole itself before, so that way it covers up all the parts that you cut up. And now there's a sticky stuff that you put in the promoter for the tape. Is this stuff right here. It comes with a package. You need to wipe that down and then get ready to stick it on. I do have some extra 3M tape just in case I want to stir it up a little bit. Well, it helps if you don't drop it. So we'll see what this looks like. We'll try it here in a sec. Alright everyone, well, I finally finished. No, it wasn't that bad. I just took some time to make sure that everything taped up right. But here it is. Here's what it looks like. Let me flip it around so you get a better look. Hold on one second. I need to do something for you. All right, let me show you with and without. I got my Mustang parked next to the one I just did. Let me know what you think. Hold tight. All right, here's my Mustang with the cap on it, as y'all would normally see. And this is the other one without. I think it's a lot cleaner. Look, I don't know if I'm going to keep the RTR symbol on it, but never know. So let me go ahead and finish up this video and catch you in a sec. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. Like I said, it was short. It roughly took about an hour-ish to do. The hardest part was to go ahead and cutting that hole. Everything else came off pretty easy, and if I ever want to go back, you could still use the factory one because it just uses the tabs that come off and put it back in. So like I said, you're not always stuck, but getting that one off might be a pain because it is good on there too. But we'll go ahead and close this out. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you all are staying safe and enjoying your weekend. And like I said, I got one more thing I need to take care of on this car, and then I'm open for suggestions after that. So we'll catch you on the next video. Have a good day.